Are you planning to install Windows 10 or 11 on your PC? Whether you're upgrading, fixing an issue, or doing a fresh install, this step-by-step guide will make the process easy for you. I'll cover everything, from creating a bootable USB to installing Windows properly. So, stay tuned till the end, and let's get started. Before we start, let's make sure you have everything ready. A USB flash drive, at least 8 GB, preferably 16 GB. A working PC with an internet connection to download Windows. Make sure to back up your important files because this process will erase everything on your PC. Check if your PC meets Windows 11 system requirements, TPM 2.0, Secure Boot enabled. Alright, once you have everything, let's create the bootable USB. Now, we'll create a bootable USB drive using Microsoft's official tool. Download the Media Creation tool from Microsoft's website, Windows 10, Windows 11. Open the tool and select Create Installation Media, USB Flash Drive, DVD, or ISO file, and click Next. Choose your language, edition, and architecture. 64-bit is recommended. Insert your USB drive, select it, and click Next. The tool will download Windows and create a bootable USB. This process may take 15 to 30 minutes depending on your internet speed. Now, we need to boot the PC from the USB drive. Follow these steps. Insert the bootable USB into the PC. Restart the PC and press the BIOS key, F2, F12, DEL, or ESC, depending on your motherboard/brand. In BIOS, go to the boot menu and set the USB drive as the first boot option. Save the changes and exit BIOS. Your PC will now boot from the USB drive. If your PC doesn't boot from USB, try changing boot mode from UEFI to Legacy or enabling Secure Boot in BIOS. Now, let's install Windows step by step. Select Language, Time, and Keyboard Layout, then click Next. Click Install Now. If prompted, enter your Windows product key, or click I don't have a product key. You can activate later. Select Custom, Install Windows Only, Advanced. Choose a partition to install Windows. If you're doing a clean install, delete all partitions and select Unallocated Space to proceed. If you want to keep existing files, choose the partition where Windows is currently installed. Click Next, and the installation will begin. Your PC will restart several times. Don't turn it off during the process. Once the installation is complete, your PC will restart, and you'll see the Windows setup screen. Select your country and keyboard layout. Connect to Wi-Fi, or skip for now. Sign in with a Microsoft account, or create a local account. Choose privacy settings, disable unnecessary tracking if preferred. Windows will finalize the setup, and you'll reach the desktop. Great! Windows is now installed. Here are a few things you should do next. Install drivers, go to Device Manager and update missing drivers. Run Windows Update, install the latest security patches. Install essential software, browser, antivirus, and productivity tools. Check activation, go to Settings, Update and Security Activation. If you face any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help you out. And that's how you install Windows 10 or 11 from a USB. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to Computer Minds, and turn on notifications for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.